Okay, so we've got here yet another transformation question. It says triangle T has been drawn on a grid. On the grid, reflect triangle T in the y-axis. Now, quite conveniently, they've labelled the axes here for me. So X is always across and the y-axis is the vertical axis. So the x-axis and the y-axis. Now I've got to reflect that shape in the y-axis here. So I need to imagine almost that I've got a mirror across here and this shape is being reflected from here into this mirror. So I think it's going to appear over this side, what I've got to be really careful of is counting the squares properly. If you see, it's 2 squares away that side, so I would expect it to be 2 squares away this side as well. So I'm going to put a marker there, that should be that corner there, so pretty much I can probably, without too much trouble, reflect the whole shape from there. And so again, we've got 2 boxes from the y-axis there and 2 from that side, and that should give me the 2 marks that I need for that. If I turn over though and look at a very similar question again on reflection, but this time I've got to be careful here because it says on the grid above, reflect shape A in the line x equals 1. Now 9 times out of 10 you're going to get a question where it's asking you to reflect the shape in one of the axes, but this time it's asking me to reflect in the line x equals 1. Now the line x equals 1 is not too tricky actually. If I look at that line there, that's all the coordinates where x equals 1, x equals 3, x equals 4 and so on. X equals minus 5. Now all the horizontal ones are y equals, so we've got y equals 5, y equals 2, y equals minus 3 and so on. So as I said, this line here is going to be the line x equals minus 1. So excuse the shaky hand here, I'm using my left hand to film. I should probably get myself something to hold it on. Anyway, again, ignoring this line now, I need to imagine that there's a mirror on this line here. Likewise to the question before, this shape is 2 squares away from the mirror line, so I'd expect it to be 2 squares away from the mirror line this side as well. And that's going to give me the 2 marks there. Look, again, they're 2 squares away, 2 squares away. Should give me there the 2 marks that I need for that question.